Hello, friends. So we're almost 1 month into the 12-week year, and over the past few weeks, I've collated some of the observations and actions and experience into one table. But one of the problems I realized is that recently the effectiveness started to wane. So I think the root cause is because when we first started and we first have that experience, we're very excited to try it out. So it was really effective. But over time, the experience kind of the mentally start to saturate it. So in the book Atomic Habits by James Clear, I think there are two lessons I can apply on this situation. So first is make your cue as obvious as possible, and second is to create a habit tracker. So what I thought I would do is in my daily, I'll go to the 12-week year dashboard, and every day I'll do a daily review, and this is the place where I visit most often. So what I can do is incorporate the lessons I've learned just now from the previous page we can see into my daily review. So what I mean by that is, for example, here daily review, I've got my plan tactics, and here I linked it back to the book action table. Every day as I do my task, this will be very obvious to me here to remind myself of all these very effective actions I've taken, experienced in the past, and whether I've done it today or not. So here I've ranked it by effectiveness, and here I put a review every day, and I try to keep the number of actions as limited as possible so we don't get distracted. So, for example, my top actions is having a countdown clock and then the Pareto's Principle, which I've also explained in different videos. So, if you're interested in checking out those techniques, I'm going to put the link in the description. So, how did I go about creating this? Is simply in the template daily review, and I just put a link towards the table book action experience and sorted by the highest effectiveness and filtered by the review every day. So if we go here, we can see I've got a bunch of different experience, but not everything needed to be reviewed every day. For example, some is reviewed every 7 days. So yeah, just to summarize, the problem I find is the mental model start to saturate and the effectiveness of my observations start to wane. So my solution is to follow the Atomic Habits book and make the cue as obvious as possible and create a habit tracker. And because daily review is the place where I visit every day, it makes it very obvious that I have to remind myself of these effective actions I can take to self-improve. So yeah, I hope you find this useful, and I'm going to put the link of this Evergreen 12-year template in the description as well.